Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Canva to generate UTM-ready campaign banners, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canva account. Create a new design by selecting the banner option that suits your campaign. Choose a template that aligns with your branding and marketing message. Customize the template by adding your text, images, and logos. Ensure your design is visually appealing and consistent with your brand identity. Next, incorporate UTM parameters into the links associated with your banner. To do this, visit Google's URL Builder tool to create UTM tags. Fill in the required fields such as campaign source, medium, and name. Once you have generated the UTM link, copy it for later use. Go back to your Canva design and select any elements that will act as links. Click on the link icon in the top right corner of the design interface. Paste the UTM link into the provided field. Adjust the clickable areas as needed to ensure they are user-friendly. After finalizing your design, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Select the option to download your banner as a PNG or JPEG file. Before downloading, ensure that the resolution is set for web use. Click on the Download button to save the file to your device. Now, your UTM-ready campaign banner is ready for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.